Hi good people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a boat balloon. So this is the sample that we are going to show you. Okay, let's prepare the balloon. You can prepare it one by one. First we use the brown color and we start twisting with a small bubble. Continue with the small pins twist. Alright, so for everyone, to get the way and to know how to make the boat balloon, so please stay tuned in this video. Pay your attention to the details of in this video and don't leave the channel before you get your boat balloon. Alright, we back to the balloon. So after the pin twist, continue with the finger bubble and next with the small pin twist again. Again we make with the finger bubble, back to the small pin twist, we back again for the finger bubble. Okay, actually you still need to make a bubble twisting here, but the balloon is too tight, so we can't continue with the same balloon. That's why for the rest of the balloon we discard. After we discard, don't forget to tie it and make it tidy. Okay, so get with the same balloon, I mean that same color, then we just twist that into the first part. Continue with the finger bubble. Next with the small pin twist. So the brown color here is for the body of the boat. So this is for the boat. You can adjust the color like your color prefer to make it. Alright, so for everyone, let's pay the details. Pay your attention to the details because the body of the boat, like you see, for the down of the body we make it like a triangle shape. Okay, just leave it for a while, and now we are going to prepare or to make for the flag. Here we use the brown and the red color. For the flag it will be with the red color, and the brown color will be for the antenna for the flag. Okay, so after we get some size about 10 to 15 fingers for the stick of the flag. Alright, for the stick we have done it, and now we make for the flag. just twist the same size with the stick of the flag. Okay, you can see like he's doing in this video, so you can make the same thing over there. So it's just a triangle. Okay, that's it for the flag. And for the rest of the balloon we discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon. Yep. So this is for the flag. Now we are going to twist that into the top of the boat that we have prepared already with the small pins twist with the brown color in the boat. And the rest of the balloon now we discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, now we get ready with the white color here. The white color here we make a loop twisting. Okay, and now we can make another one more. So for this, you can make it in the same size or maybe just enough for the balloon. Doesn't matter because we are going to make a wave for the wave. So you can imagine that the boat will be on the top of the wave in the sea. So this is the wave, the white color. Okay, and now still with the water, so we use the white color still here. Maybe you can use the light blue if you have it, but here we have the white color. And the small balloon here we inflate in 4 pieces, and then we tie them to be one part. Okay, so that's it. Now we twist them together to be one, so it will be like the water and then the wave. All right, so this is the boat balloon that we have show you how to make it, and I hope you get your boat balloon with your own balloon. So thank you to join, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel before you leave this channel. Then we'll see again. Bye bye.